Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw She-Hulk. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with She-Hulk, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making an oval shape here for an eye. We're going to leave some space, and then we'll make another oval shape over here for an eye. Next, we're going to make two little circles in here, and I'm going to color in most of them, leaving just a little bit white. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down, and then we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and then up here for the nose. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes across here for an eyebrow. And then this one I'm going to make a little bit higher up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a smile for the mouth. And then I'm going to make a little line down here. Next, I'm going to make a few little eyelashes off to the side here. And then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down on each side, and then a little line down for the ears. Starting here, we're going to come up, we're going to go over, and then down. Starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down, and then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and come down here. Starting here, we're going to go up and down, and then we're just going to make some wavy lines that just come down, and they're going to come back up. Then up here, we're going to make another line that's going to come down. We're going to make some wavy lines that come down, and then we're just going to make some points and then bring them back up. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to come down and up for the neck. And then right here, we're going to make lines going to come down, and then a line's going to come down here. Next, we're going to make this line come down. We're going to come over. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to come down and over. We're going to bring this line up, and we're going to bring this line up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down and then up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring these two lines down. We're going to put a little button right here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down. We're going to go up and over, and then we're going to bring this line up. Then we're going to add a little curved line right here to kind of show where her muscles are. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then we're going to add a little curved line here and a little line here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up here. Same thing here, we're going to go down, we're going to go over, and then bring it up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out. We're going to come up to here, and another one here. We're going to go out, and then we're going to bring it up to here. Now starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. We're going to bring this line up. We're going to come over. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it over here. About a little curved line here for the arm. Just kind of show where the muscles are going to be. Then starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve. We're going to make a little line here. And then we're going to make a little line that curves around. And we're going to make a couple little lines right down here. And there you go, there is your drawing of She-Hulk. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.